Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna tell you about Fuel Network and some problems that it's willing to solve. Our technologies are developing very quickly. 20 years ago it was difficult to find something on the map because Google Maps hadn't been invented. Or if you wanted to call someone you had to pay because international calls were expensive. Today you can use a FaceTime. The process of sending money abroad required a long journey and additional costs. But blockchain and cryptocurrencies changed a lot of things. Stablecoins can currently be sent overseas in a matter of seconds, almost for free. However, there is a significant issue. Today, just a small percentage of global population regularly uses cryptocurrencies. There are a lot of limitations with the current blockchains. Ethereum, for example, can make 15 transactions per second. Even though Vitalik Buterin continues developing Ethereum, and in a couple of years the situation should be better, Ethereum has its own limitations. I believe that one of the most significant problems with the current blockchains is their monolithic nature, which is why blockchain trilemma occurs. First of all, let's understand what is a blockchain. Blockchain is a chain of blocks, and these blocks consist of two components. A header, which records information about both the current block and the previous block, and transaction data. All blocks are validated through full nodes. Consensus. This is the system that determines how blocks are added to the chain and how the nodes verify the chain is correct and undamaged. Execution. The data calculations and transactions needed to update the blockchain to the next block. This is where the initial processing of transactions takes its place. Data availability. The data that is stored in the node. The amount of the available data is called block space, and this data is permanently added to the blockchain. Ethereum and other layer 1 blockchains are monolithic. The problem with monolicity is that the base layer handles all the components mentioned above, and it's impossible to achieve high throughput without sacrificing decentralization or security. They try to inefficiently merge all of these three levels: execution, consensus, and data availability of the blockchain, and this is why blockchain trilemma appears. Now, let's talk what the blockchain trilemma is and how it can be solved. Blockchain scalability trilemma means that blockchain architecture typically compromises on security, decentralization, or scalability in order to provide strong guarantees for the other two. What decentralization, scalability, and security means. Decentralization. A blockchain system that is independent of central node or cartel of nodes. Basically, decentralization can be achieved by small resource requirements to run a node on the user's device. The lower the entry threshold, the more nodes, means the more decentralized network is. Scalability. The ability to process a large number of transactions without increasing the network's fees. Even under a heavy load on the network, fees should remain as low as under its normal operation. Security. The ability of network to function under attack and protect itself from errors while keeping users' funds safe. So now, you should understand the current main problem of layer 1 blockchains. They can achieve decentralization, security, and scalability in the same time. But it's trilemma, not a law. So if we add modularity in their structure, we can efficiently optimize each component of these layers. And here it comes Fuel Network. Fuel is designed specifically to leverage this additional bandwidth in ways no other scalability system can. Fuel is built on the fastest modular execution level. Fuel intends to achieve minimal transaction costs and flexible throughput while maintaining the highest security. Fuel plans to accomplish these three components through modularity and some other features. Fuel defines a modular execution layer as a verifiable computation system designed for the modular blockchain stack. And how Fuel wants to achieve this? There is three main things that will help Fuel do this. Fuel achieves unparalleled computation power with the parallel transaction execution because of the UTXO model. This model allows to use more CPU threads and cores that are typically idle in the other blockchains. As a result, Fuel achieves excellent transaction throughput. Second, Fuel Virtual Machine, Fuel VM. You probably know what EVM is. All the blockchains that you use in MetaMask are built on EVM. Fuel VM learns from all mistakes in the past, so it's designed to reduce wasteful processing of the traditional blockchain virtual machine architecture, while increasing the potential design space for developers. Third, Sway programming language. Sway is a programming language for Fuel virtual machine, developed for Fuel blockchain. Sway is based on Rust and includes syntax for using blockchain virtual machine without unnecessary verbose patterns. Also, Sway retains benefits of the smart contract languages such as Solidity. Fuel's team is building this project for the autonomous future, while all individuals and groups have access to create and benefit from truly verifiable autonomous system. This system will run independent of their creators and will power the next generation of the cooperation and coordination. The blockchain trilemma is more relevant than ever because mass adoption of cryptocurrency is gaining more momentum every year. And for the public accessibility, we need a blockchain that will solve this trilemma. Fuel is a project that will help to solve this trilemma with their modularity, programming language Sway, and Fuel VM. I hope this video was useful for you and now you know what Fuel Network is. Leave your comments down below, put this like button and subscribe on my channel. Thank you.